Welcome YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Gmail to work with Microsoft Outlook. Open your web browser and go to your Gmail. Navigate to Settings. There you can find the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Make sure that option is enabled. Now navigate to your Google account and turn off the two-step verification. And the last setting we need to check in the Google account is turning on the Less Secure Access option. This setting lets other non-Google applications work with Gmail. Now that we're finished setting the Google account, we can open Microsoft Outlook and set it so it works with our Gmail. Go and open Outlook and navigate to Account Settings, and create New Account. Select Manual Setup and mark the POP IMAP option and click Next. Write the display name. Then fill in your username and password. Select IMAP. And fill this incoming and outgoing mail addresses. Good. Now go to the More Setting option. There go to the outgoing server and mark the logon using username and password and fill yours. After you're done, go to Advanced tab and fill as the video shows. At the bottom menu, there is one very important option that you need to consider. If you want to save a local copy of the emails you sent, check it. Now we are done configuring. Click OK and your emails start to sync. Congratulations!